Editing photos has never been this easy and fun. Do you want to learn how to edit an image where you can magically remove a person and add another person onto the same image? Or do you want to learn how to edit a simple coffee cup and make it look extraordinary? Photoshop is a software that provides multiple editing features for editing images that are based on pixels as well as vector graphics. It is widely used by graphic designers, photographers, as well as meme developers across the globe. This course will help you to edit and make your images look more creative and appealing. You will be learning from the very basics on how to import an image in order to edit. Also, you will be learning about the different functionalities like how to use layer functions and clipping masks and masking techniques, as well as brush tools and a lot of other tools that are present in Photoshop. I am Rishabh, your Photoshop expert. Together, we'll make your imagination mold using graphics. Join me in learning the most easiest and fun way in editing photos and become a Photoshop pro.